All right, pretty huge news, especially if you are in the Bay Area, Los Angeles, New York, and a homeowner or looking to be a homeowner in those areas. So basically, big news for everyone in those areas. The FHFA announced that they're going to increase the fees for high balance loans as well as second home loans. So on April 1st of 2022, the FHFA is going to increase the loan level pricing adjustments for high balance loans, which if you don't know, those are basically loans in high cost areas such as the Bay Area, the San Francisco Bay Area, Los Angeles, New York, Utah. I believe there's some, you can look, there's not very many areas out there, but they are increasing, the cost of getting a loan basically on these high balance loans, specifically in just those areas, just for those buyers and just for those homeowners. These targeted pricing changes will allow the enterprises to better achieve their mission of facilitating equitable and sustainable access to homeownership while improving their regulatory capital position over time, said Acting Director Sandra L. Thompson. She later went on to say, today's action represents another step the FHFA is taking to strengthen the safety and soundness and to ensure access to credit for first-time homebuyers and low to moderate income borrowers. The FHFA says these will go into effect on acquisitions beginning April 1st of 2022. The long lead time is intended to minimize market and pipeline disruption. And Mortgage Bankers Association President Bob Brooksmith said he appreciated the delivery date for the new fees in April, which gives lenders more than 90 days to adjust their rate sheets appropriately. What I find funny is I haven't heard anyone talking smack about this, and I am pissed off about it. I mean, they're attacking high balance loans. The reason there are high balance loans in certain counties is because it's really expensive to live here. You should see the cost of gas and milk and everything else compared to across the country. It's not like, these elitists only get high balance loans. High balance loans are for the Bay Area for a reason, because at 647, 200, you can't buy anything else. So why make it more expensive and punish us in the Bay Area, Sandra Thompson, White House administration, for living in a high cost area? Plus, this area is hugely Democratic. So I think this whole thing is just absurd, and it attacks a high cost area and a high cost borrower, when really it's just regular people trying to buy a home. And that's why they even came out with these extended limits in high cost areas back in 2008. So, I don't know why more people are pissed off, and they sell it like they're doing all this good for low to moderate income. They go on to say, that the Home Possible and all these government first-time buyer programs aren't going to be affected. And in addition, first-time buyers in high-cost areas with incomes at or below 100% of the median income will have no specific high-balance upfront fees. You can't really qualify for the loan if you're in the median income, and that's why we have these loans again to begin with. It just makes no sense. And I just want to say, I was pissed. Everyone was pissed at Mark Calabria in 2020 when, the fees went up for the cash-out refi during the biggest refi boom, and for investment properties, but at least that was equal across the board, not just, high balance loans. I mean, it's really tough in the Bay Area, and, you just made it a lot tougher, and you hide behind this thing that you're saving the world and making the world a better place for the low to moderate income person and the first time home buyer. That is absolutely not true. You're just making it more expensive for people who live in the Bay Area who are trying to buy a home. That's it. So that said, obviously you need to act quick if you want to take advantage of cashing out or refinancing if you haven't done it yet. I have the most amazing high balance pricing. Why I opened Fresh Home Loan was so we could make sure we can get the best high balance pricing for the Bay Area. It's what I've been doing since these loans came out, literally. And I've quit companies because their high balance pricing wasn't good. It does make a difference where you go with those. So give me a call. I'd love to help out, your friends, your family, whomever, and we will talk soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that good stuff as you're watching this amazing video. That said, if you need to get a high balance loan, call me right away so we can lock in before these fees go into place.
Yeah, Fresh Home Loan Inc. You want mortgage rates without breaking your bank? Well, I got what you need. I'll keep it 100. The very best lender. We sell money, yeah. There's really no equal. Independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. I know that the pandemic's brought many problems. What we offer is better rates.